What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. So I haven't vlogged in a while, so I thought let's just make a vlog. Just came out of work and I went to take two of my amplifier that I went to service. I need to install them back, but before I install them back I want to show you guys what amplifier I'm using. Welcome back guys. So these are the amplifiers that I'm using. That's a 600 watt 2 channel, 3000 watt 2 channel. That's a mono block 2000 watt. So I went to service both of them. That's a 150 amp battery that I'm using. So that's my car audio system guys. I use also two mid-bass speaker 8 inches. Let me show you guys, with two tweeters on the side of the speaker box, to 4-inch, and also the same setup on the other side. Let me just show you. Yes, same setup, two 8-inch and also one 12-inch subwoofer. As you can see, this is my subwoofer. So as you can see, everything is installed. Welcome back guys. So you have seen my car audio system. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna play a bass song for you guys after this. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.